So to get all excited and animated about Calabar quarter miler Christopher Taylor running an impressive 45.82 season opener over the weekend, that is like shouting breathlessly from the mountain top that Lionel Messi scored another brilliant goal for Barcelona. Seriously though, I said it already and I'm going to say it again. Nothing that Christopher Taylor does against schoolboys will impress me. The fact that the second best time over the distance on the day was almost 2 seconds slower than Taylor's time, that count for nothing. If Chris Taylor goes to champs this year and runs 44 against some youth who are run 47 and 48, it is no big thing. Christopher Taylor's talent and potential are bigger than Calabar and bigger than champs. And if Taylor and the people around him are serious about this little gem fulfilling his vast potential, then the process of transitioning, whether it be through the college system or going full professional, that process should have started already. And get rid of this amateur schoolboy champs winning mentality. So I don't want nobody text or call or WhatsApp me phone with big exclamation sign about Taylor run 45 years. So what? Who we gonna get? I don't want to hear it, the boss. We're gonna stop me off the phone. It's Olympics and World Championship talent Chris Taylor have. We're gonna stop calling the phone. Stop calling the phone. Stop calling the phone, man. Stop.